Hi, my name is Marty Major with FLIR Security's TCX Training Department. We're here today to talk about modifying services within the Latitude environment. Now, to do that, basically we use the control panel functionality of add remove programs, or programs and features, I think it's called now. So right in our control panel we can find programs and features, and once we launch it, it actually brings us to this very familiar Windows application that lets us delete or modify any of the installed applications that are on any Windows machine. So if you come to here, you can see we do have Latitude 7.0 listed. All we simply do is right click and choose uninstall change. Now this is going to give us two options, of course, uninstall or change, or remove or modify, right? That's how they call it. We could remove the entire system if that's what we wanted to do, and reinstall the entire thing. But we don't need to do that. We just simply need to modify some of those services. So we're going to use this choice and go ahead and hit next. Now, it's very wise. It's an important thing to do whenever you're modifying a system to back up the original system. So it builds that right into the component here, and you can go ahead and back it up to whatever it is you like. Now, notice already anything that has a checkbox in it is currently installed in the Latitude system. So the other ones, the other server services that don't have the checkbox, they're currently not installed in the system. And you can see there's a variety of things that we could add. What we're going to do today, just as a quick example, is you can see up here Case Builder is not in the system right now. So we're simply going to check that box, and any other ones that we wanted to add as well, we could just include those. But we're just going to hit next, and you can see when I start the installation itself that it's going and installing the Case Builder server service that we asked for. Now, it's also important to keep in mind the individual components that we saw that were checked in there. We could also remove individual components. Had I unchecked any of those boxes like the transcoder or something else that was already currently installed, it would have actually removed it, right? So modifying installs by checking boxes that were not checked, and uninstalls things by unchecking boxes in that modify section of currently installed things. So that's important to keep in mind. And as you can see, it was very simple. And now my Latitude system includes the Case Builder server service. For further FLIR security training, go to FLIR.com, then Products and Security. From the Security page, you would come to Support and then Training. On the training page, we have it divided currently between in-person training and online training. The in-person training includes certification classes in Latitude and many of our thermal technologies. The online training includes upcoming security webinars, which you see up here on the left, and recorded webinars, which of course continues to grow as we do the current webinars. But over on the right-hand side, you'll see our online training video library where we cover a number of different things in our repertoire. If we go to Latitude, you can see we have a series of Latitude training videos like this one that you just listened to, and we are adding to this list, and it is growing fast.